Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make this absolutely adorable Halloween card. So we got this cute little skull here, and when you fold them open, it says Happy Halloween. I think that is so cute. This is a Design Space image. So let's pop on over there and I will show you how to find it. Here we are in Design Space. So we're just going to pop over to Images. We're going to search Halloween, and we're going to go to project type cards. So you can see we got 7 cards, as well as the writing font to draw Happy Halloween. So there is the card there. It comes with an envelope if you want to make the envelope. Let's ungroup this. You will need a 12 by 12 sheet for the envelope. I'm just going to delete that for now because I'm not worried about the envelope. And we've got on here just 3 layers. Well, 3 colors and 5 pieces. So let's get this cut out and we will make it. Okay, so there's the one I've already made. I've cut out 2 more just because I think these are so cute. So to fold them, you are going to, with the score lines facing you, fold back, and then fold up. So super easy, only 2 score lines. Let's get both of them folded. Then we've got our cute skulls. So the skulls are a little bigger than the black. You can see it just poking through. And you don't want the teeth to go past the score line. But let's get these guys glued on. Make sure I'm still in camera frame for you. And I didn't put a lot of glue on the one I've already made. And I'm gonna kind of wipe it down, smear it in, blob of something there, blob of semi-dried glue. We'll get that off. We don't want that. And I just lined up the teeth just slightly above the score line. I just think the eyes are so cute. I didn't worry about getting any glue underneath the very thin cut lines there. Now this one I'm going to do in purple. And again, I'm just getting a bit of glue on there. Not a huge amount, but enough that it's not going to pop off. On the page. And for this one, it does line up very nicely between the score lines. Purple down. Here's the back portion. And just gluing the same way. A little bit of glue on there. There's not much surface area. And then that one I'm just gluing just under the score line. Press that one down. Now we'll do his teeth. And again, the teeth are just a little bit bigger than the black portion that they get attached to. And a small amount of glue. And there we go. We'll let him dry off to the side. Now I am going to pull out my bone folder for this one because I want very crisp folds. Just because I'm actually doing this one in glitter paper. Curious to see how well it will look and kind of fold in on itself. So, and it's just an excuse to use glitter paper. You can see a little bit there in the corner. But you can make tons, like if you have any type of Halloween party. These could be great. Thank you for coming, even the invitations. There's nothing saying that you can't put something on the back. The nice like metallic pen. Oh yeah, that'd look good. So I hope the glitter paper is not going to be too thick to fold nicely. It's the only thing I'm worried about. The glitter seems to be a standard Halloween theme now too. Every time I go into any of the stores, you just see lots of glitter. Back side. Yeah, if you have kids whose birthday is on Halloween or really close and they do like a Halloween thing, would be a great birthday invite card. Like, look how quick this is to get this card together. And it's absolutely adorable. The words took a little longer to cut out. Sorry, got a little piece of fuzz or something on there. Perfect, I'm gonna let these dry and then we'll check them out. So there we go. Aren't these just adorable? They worked great. The thicker glitter paper works fantastic. Now I'm wishing I have, because I don't have any, purple and red and like bright orange. These would also make great decorations. You could temporarily attach these to your walls, to windows. They're just super adorable, super easy to make. As I said before, they'll make a great invitation to a Halloween party, even a Halloween themed birthday party. They're just, I saw the card and thought, oh, I gotta make these. And the cute thing too is his nose is a heart. Don't know if you noticed that or not, but thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.